White Squirrel here. I found as I'm getting more into casting, my current molds and setup isn't really economical. So when I want to cast, I tend to have to melt the metal, clean the metal, then pour the metal, and it kind of takes a few steps away and takes a little bit of time away from getting to my finished result. So I figure might as well make an ingot mold to help me melt my aluminum easily and make sure that when it's time to cast, all I got to do is drop a form inside and I have a full crucible. Right now I have my long ingot mold. Doesn't quite fit very well in my little crucible. And I have my piston molds, which takes quite a few to throw in there. So my plan is to take the C channel, measure out how much is half a crucible, and build myself an ingot mold based off that. So hopefully I have to do either one or two castings inside of my crucible and ready to go, ready to pour and make some nifty items. pretty good haul overall for a single melt. My original goal was to get a single 15-pound aluminum melt in my crucible, and I think I got it this time. My scale maxed out at 11 pounds, and here I have 10 pounds, 11 ounces. Another pound, 10 ounces. And my slag is a pound. So total, that's 15 pounds. Goal achieved.